Okay, good. I want a copy of that because I forgot to take a picture of it. I was so pissed off at that guy. Oh, no problem. I can talk about that.
Doing a video?
Well, I caught a couple clips on my little digital, but you'd already landed by the time I got this out. But I wanted to get a little bit, just a good look at her.
Yeah,
She's a monster.
I know there's a box like beast.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta work out just to haul this thing in now.
Why?
Well, if I was smart, I would have kept it proper and brought it in, but
Hey,
it's not that bad.
hey, man, out of the woods. That's a good thing.
No, no.
Yeah, no shit.
How come that's the most flights I've seen you put on any plane?
Because it's big.
All the other ones you crash.
It's big and I can't miss it. I can see better.
Hey, don't ever try to crank it. Yeah, it might take that. Oh, wait.
Take a spinner off?
Well, it's going to kick the top off here in a minute anyway. They always do.
Okay, heads up. He's taking off.
This is a gear reduction starter. It does not slow down for these.
Yeah, and I'm standing behind something.
Yeah, something about structure, right?
Yeah, building.
Can you keep that camera going the whole flight, Charlie?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
If my arm can hold out.
Yeah, oh yeah.
My arm already took a beating with a shotgun today. I'm already wavering.
Got a cool bunch of your video camera to that.
I've got an onboard one I can put on it.
Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh, come on, baby! Come on! Come on! Come on, baby! Oh shit!
That was so close.
Well, you know, crash videos work out as good as anything else.
Guys, do it again.
Lower this time!
He ain't gonna do it again. That was so.
Have fun now. Ooh.
That was close.
Well, it's one thing when it's your airplane, but when it's his.
Well, actually, that should be easier, shouldn't it?
No. No, I lost too much airspeed and it snapped.
Oh yeah, we've seen that.
Yeah. You got that on tape, Charlie? Oh, fantastic, because nobody's going to believe it.
Nice job, Dennis. Nice job.
Almost kept it on runway.
It's better every time with that.
That's it. Turn her around. That's it. Good job.
We need to video that.
Oh, man.
Too bad we didn't have one of your face.
She was 16. Actually, you know what though, Stan? I didn't get emotional until afterwards. When it was going on, it was just like, okay, it's still flying, get the nose down, you know.
What's that wet spot on your face?
Oh, man. That's the hardest that airplane ever made me work. Oh, God.
You need to get your breath.
You know what? I can't believe it. I'll never be able to tell anybody.
Well, it just goes to show you, Dennis, it goes to show you, if the thing departs, you can get it back.
Wow.
See, we were never sure if you'd be able to get it back or not.
Hey, Dennis.
But all I did was get the nose down and it started flying again.
Video?
Good thing there was some more trees over there.
You ain't lying. I picked a perfect spot.
Entire
to do it.
flight,
That's it, because that needed a little
start to finish.
That was amazing. Stan, have you ever seen a plane pull out of something like that?
A little higher up.
Man.
Well, normally,